Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying Watch OS is current and the Watch app on your iPhone shows a paired device. Once that's confirmed, open Accessibility Zoom on the Watch or in the Watch app and toggle Zoom on. Make sure you're wearing the watch so gestures register correctly. Now practice the core gesture, a double tap with 2 fingers to toggle Zoom. If the watch won't accept the tap, adjust wrist position and try a firmer, quicker double tap to trigger the feature. Once Zoom is active, you need to calibrate how it behaves. Open Zoom options and set the maximum zoom percentage to a comfortable level. Lower percentages reduce jumpiness. Next, choose Zoom region, full screen for uniform scaling or window to limit magnification area. Test both to see which gives better control. Learn the navigation. 2-finger drag pans the view, and double tap then drag adjusts zoom level smoothly. Practice switching region and to complete, confirm the gestures work across apps and notifications, then fine-tune the max zoom and focus. If gestures stop responding, restart the watch and toggle zoom off and on. This fixes most software glitches. Once done, make sure to back up the watch before any reset. If problems persist, unpair and repair your watch or reset accessibility settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If touch responsiveness seems hardware-related, test other touchscreen interactions and contact Apple support for a hardware inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.